Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's lecture topic is malignant disease of cervix, vulva and vagina. In this lecture, we will talk about, in the first section, malignant disease of the cervix. And we divided this section into three parts in which we will talk about the pathophysiology of malignant disease of the cervix, staging and investigation of the cervical carcinoma, and also what's the importance of staging and disease spread. Then in the second section, we will talk about the management of cervical carcinoma, pathology, prevention, and treatment of cervical carcinoma. In the third section, we will talk about malignant diseases of vagina. And in this, we will talk about epidemiology, etiology, and pathology, clinical presentation and diagnosis of malignancy in vagina, and then also staging, prognosis, treatment, and what's clear cell adenocarcinoma. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about malignant disease of vulva, in which we will talk about stages and prognosis, spread, symptoms and signs, and pre-malignant condition of vulva. In the fifth section, we will talk about management of vulvar cancer, pathology, management and differential diagnosis, and treatment of vulval cancer. So all these malignancies we will talk in detail in this lecture. So if hopefully you are interested to learn more about these malignancies, so keep watching sqadia.com.